Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayu Siti Mariam. In these videos, I want to tell you how to cook samyang with seafood snacks and seaweed. You know samyang, right? Samyang is an instant noodle produced from South Korea, and these noodles has such a famous spicy taste, and many people want to try these samyang noodles. Okay, let's cook samyang. The material needed, of course, samyang, seaweed, water, and I will add a few seafood snacks as a complement, like this. The device that must be prepared is a pot, a dish, a spoon or a fork, knife to cut the seafood snake, and also, of course, you must have a stove to cook samyang. Let's cook the samyang. First, prepare the pot, then put water 2 or 3 cups. Yes, like this. Then turn on the stove and wait for the water is boil. While waiting for the water to boil, you can open the noodle wok and you need to prepare the marinade. And if water is still not boiling, you can chop up small the seafood snakes.
평화배기하는 모두 middle fingers up 검지검지 약지 새끼 적어주지 세워 Only go, only go, only go now 이거 나처 먹어 동방노예 지국이 시국점 역대급 승채근의 신뢰점 우리 뽑아 모야 왁스네 아빠야 쓰레빠야 자샤 뭐 우리 전에 벗었는데 아니요 승리나 친애라는데 어쩌라고요 술 한잔하게 나중에.
If the water boils, put the seafood first. Wait a minute, and now you can put the samyang noodles. Wait until the samyang noodles rise. After expanding, then drain the noodles with the seafood snacks mold. Then put in on the dish. Then stir until smooth.
평화배기하는 모두 middle fingers up 검지검지
After stirring, put the nori or seaweed like this. Yes, and then finally, this is samyang with seafood, snake, and seaweed are ready to serve. That's all from these videos, and I'm sorry if there's any mistakes, and thank you for watching these videos. See you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.